Good morning, everyone. I am cooking this chicken breast. I'll be baking that, and also I'll be baking some beets, and that'll be for supper. Before I season this chicken, I need to wash it with this vinegar, and then I'll season it and let it sit here. This is my prep I do for dinner. It's morning time, so after breakfast, and I do everything that I need to do before I sit to do my makeup. This is what I do. I pull everything out. During the night, I leave the chicken in the fridge pot. I take it out from the freezer so it can defrost. And then I clean it, wash it, season it up, and I let it sit out until it's time to cook. I want it to be at room temperature before I put it in the oven. But this is what I do, and then after I season this and everything, then I go sit and clean some makeup. I am going to pour the vinegar. It's only 2 chicken breasts. Because I'm going to bake it, I'm not going to take out the skin or any of the fat because that will keep it a little moist. And then after it bakes, then I'll take the skin off. So I'm going to rinse this out and then I will season it. This is what the chicken looks like after I season it. I'll let it sit until I'm ready to use it, which I'm not ready. I'm going to play with some makeup and I will see you when I'm ready to put it in the oven. I'm now going to cover this chicken with foil and put it in the oven. Covered with foil. Now we're going to the oven. Hot and ready to go. It is now 2:05 and the oven is set at 400. I am going to show you how I prepare the beets so I can bake them. First, I'm going to cut this off. Then I peel them. Thin layer of skin right off. I don't go too deep because I don't want to take out too much of the flesh. Just the skin, like this. This is what they look like after I've peeled them. This is my hand because beets is red and it stains, but once I wash mine it will go away. So I'm gonna rinse this out and then put them on a piece of paper towel. I'm gonna rinse this out and dry them on a piece of paper towel. Don't let it stay under the water long, just a little bit of water to just wash off the dirt from this, because after you peel the skin off, as you're going around this, so you just want to just a little bit of water to rinse it off, and that's it. I put it in a piece of foil and then I fold it. Just like this. Then I take a small baking pan and I put it inside of it like this, and then I'll put it in the oven to bake. And after half an hour I will check to see. I don't want it too soft, but I don't want it too hard. I want it just right. So, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Now I have a container with water and I'm going to put these to sit in there. Let's see if I can grow them. This is what the chicken looks like now. Big chicken breast. And this is what the baked beets look like. And I'll show you when I dish them out and show you what the plate looks like. This is the plate that I prepared with the chicken, tomatoes, avocado, and baked beets.